right arm. And our next fight, they both have good. Aminjoni Abdul Fayoz against Zaya Soyolerdeme. So Tajikistan against Mongolia. In the red uniform, the fighters from Tajikistan. In blue, the Mongolian. With a quick touch. His favorite technique, by now. It worked once and needed to pull it off. Everybody knows his spinning technique, so it's going very for him. Because try that technique, for sure will be prepared and will defend. Mongolian in blue uniform, his opponent in red. The Latvian looking for one grip. Rick is controlling it. Still looking for the grips. Good lapel grip for the Mongolian. Last seconds of still on the ground with the Greek trying to control the position. It was a beautiful throw, but he wasn't able to control his opponent's body, and that's why he only got 1 point. Yes, and victory for the Greek winner. Yeah, it was another nice attempt, but for sure they are very tired, and you can clearly see this. And let's not forget the motivation. Another nice attempt for the Tajik. Another nice technique for the fighter from Tajikistan. 3 points and 1 minute to go. Leading by 1 point is the Fatah from Kazakhstan. 2.5 minutes to go. Gets his back. Well, and here we are again. Still controlling the grips is the fighter from Tajikistan and waiting for a final effort. Nice. But still, he looks very tired.